performance artist, also publishes books, magazines, and CDs. After tonight, be sure to check out her poetry open mic every Wednesday at Gallery Cabaret. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Janet Kuypers.
One big road trip now, and we stop the cruise control and make our way down the expressway. And most of the time we're just driving in a straight line, and the scenery blurs and there's nothing to see. But I know what's inside of you, and I know what you're made of. And there's no such thing as a calm with you. You are a fantastic car crash. You stop traffic in both directions as the neighbors walk the delayed rows. And everyone slows down to stare. It's a spectacular explosion. I try to duck and cover as metal flies through the air. And every time you leave the scene of the accident, I am left picking up the shards of glass from the windows. You know, glass breaks into such tiny little pieces. They look like ice. It takes so long to pick up the pieces, and even though I'm careful, I'm still picking up the pieces, and I'm still on my knees. And the glass cuts into my hands, and my blood drips down the street. Think of it as my contribution to this fantastic car crash. That is you, that is me, that is us. As I pull the glass from my hands and wave my hand to the traffic. Go on, keep driving. This happens all the time. There's nothing to see here. Restless and